Now we'll have a look at the applications that Human Genome Project has, and then we are going to pile up this topic. What are the applications of Human Genome Project? You remember what Human Genome Project is all about. It is about coding the entire genome of the human beings. Now what benefit it has, what are its applications? It is going to have a lot of applications in biological research. Biological research, evolutionary studies, and biomedical research. In these three fields, it is going to have lot of applications, and in a way it is going to revolutionize it. It has already done it. So what is the purpose of HGP in biological research? As you know, earlier it was of the practice that it was in the practice that single gene was taken into consideration and then its effects could be studied. That part could be overcome, that problematic part where only a single gene is taken into consideration, that could be overcome if you have the entire sequence of genes in your hand. Now why it is problematic? It is problematic in a way that no gene acts or works when it has to work in the living human being. It does not work in vacuum. It is working along with the entire machinery, totally differently operating machinery, but they are working hand in hand. Okay, our body is a composite unit. Now our body is a composite unit as well as at the biomolecular level. Whatever functioning is taking place, that is also done on a composite scale. That means all biomolecules are contributing to a certain extent, and whatever outcome is coming, that is because of that holistic approach of all the biomolecules getting involved into it. So we are getting a composite outcome. We cannot study single gene's effect and we are not taking a living cell into consideration. So the study cannot be done in vacuum. You can make it out that if you have a single gene, that study would be very much shallow. But if it is done in terms of all the genes that you are studying, that you have in your hand, you can use that information, then it is easier, and that has been enabled by Human Genome Project, the information that we got from there. So biological research has been altogether revolutionized and made quite simpler, and it has increased its complexity, which enables us to understand the things which were earlier not very clear, okay, to the researchers. Evolutionary studies, we had talked about the repeated sequences where there was some light being put on chromosomes history. So we can track very well what evolution the chromosome has undergone in a long course of time. That could be studied from the sequences which are coded by the Human Genome Project. And lastly, we have the biomedical research. Now, from changed biological research or highly advanced biological research enabled by the learnings from Human Genome Project and the data that comes from there, our biomedical research field can also improve. Okay, there is a lot of scope of improvisation in the biomedical research field. How? Supposedly we are talking about some genetic disorder. Now the genetic disorder works at genome level. We know how it is working, but if you can track what is the basic principle, how that working is going on, okay. Till now we have tracked the basic principle how cancer works, okay, which cells it is going to infect, but how it is working at the genetic level, what changes are being brought about at the genetic level, how genes are controlling that activity, you can very well figure out to what extent we can curtail that disease. Okay, when you hold the root cause of a particular problem, it is easier to overcome that problem. In the same way, the genetic disorders which are working at the genetic level with the genetic information, if we go and catch and capture that information, it would be of very much ease for the biomedical field to curtail those diseases. So in biomedical research also, those diseases like tumor which have many implications starting from the genetic level over the human body and the cells, they could be captured. So, these are the three main applications of the Human Genome Project from our point of view that you have to keep in mind. And apart from that, this Human Genome Project has made us understand about our genetic constitution to a level where we can utilize other genomes as well. We can code other animals or plants or organisms genome and use them to our benefit. So, these are the applications of Human Genome Project that we know till now. As the time progresses, there is a possibility that it has many more applications, or it could go other way, that it is problematic, it is not to the usage as we had expected, as much as was invested, that much usage is not coming. But for now, we have these applications and they are quite beneficiary for the human race. Who knows, with coming time it increases and we get to know how we have evolved, what all evolutionary trends are going to help us in tackling all the diseases that are upcoming, and how the natural selection process has made us to this level. All these informations and points could be taken up from the human genome in the coming times, and we hope for that. And with this we end what Human Genome Project is all about. This is all you have to understand.